Hey, Connor here, and welcome to Neversink Gardening Basics. I'm here in the prop house. I want to talk about some different ideas for trays. And you do these like that. Which I just take some of these cheap trays and then I cut them up, because in the garden I don't need a lot of plants. Of some things I only need like 8, right? Some things I only need like 15. Some things I need a little bit more. So I just keep cutting it up, and then I have the right amount for each one, and I can start them separately. I don't have to start them all in one big tray. And by taking a big tray and cutting it up, right, I can still fit them all inside a carrier, right? I could just put them all in and, right, separate them like that, right? And now I can bring them out to the garden and have, right, my zucchini, my lettuce heads, my beets, maybe some herbs in here. And I just keep these things around, and when I start them, I just start them based on how many cells it is. But one tip I have is you may not spend a lot of money on these, but get a decent carrier, right? Get a decent tray that has some stiffness to it, so at least you can hold it with one hand. It's just going to make it a lot easier. You know, and another tip is when you're storing these trays off season, you want to store them out of sun, right? That's really what's going to degrade them. It's not really use, it's sunlight. That's why they're made black, so that they don't absorb as much UV. But if you store them in the dark, you're going to get many more uses out of them. All right, so till next time, thanks for watching, and if you want to see more videos, definitely subscribe.